When you plug in your drive for the very first time, you will be prompted to set up the security parameters of your encrypted drive. This process will require an internet connection for the first time only in order to set up the security settings for the flash drive. You will also want to have your email available for the email validation process. The initial setup wizard will automatically begin the validation process and you will be brought to the welcome screen. If it does not run automatically, you can locate and double-click the KDM Bio-Elite30.exe file on your computer to open it manually. Click Next and your device will begin the activation process. You will then be prompted to enter your name to identify your device along with your contact information. The email address you enter here will be used for the validation process as well as the self-service password management subscription that comes with your drive. So choose an email address that you will use for a long time. Click Apply to set your contact information. An email will be sent to the email address you provided with a validation code to complete the validation process. Check your email and copy the code within the email from Kanguru. Return to the Defender setup window and enter that validation code into the setup wizard. Click OK. Your email validation will then be complete. Click OK and Next to create your password for the drive. You will need to create a strong password which you will use to gain access to your encrypted drive. The Defender Bio-Elite30 is a biometric fingerprint drive, so you will also be able to set up your fingerprint for security access later. Your password should be strong and meet or exceed the constraints in green below. Be sure to remember your password and guard it carefully. In the event your fingerprint does not work in the future, you can use this password to gain access to the drive. Click Save to set your password. Then click Next to move on to the next window. This is where you will create your fingerprint security parameters. Select a finger that you would like to set up for access. Under the Choose Settings, make sure Manage Fingerprint Registration is selected and Login with Write Protection is unchecked for your first fingerprint to have full access. If later you want to give permission to someone else with restricted access, you can assign their fingerprint with Login with Write Protection selected. This restriction will provide read-only access and the user will not be able to save or change any information on the drive. Click Enroll and lightly tap the back of the flash drive multiple times to register your fingerprint. This will take several taps as the drive learns your fingerprint. Continue tapping until the green check mark indicates a successful registration. At this point, you can register other fingerprints or click Finish to continue. Click OK and Finish to go to the next screen. Your device will continue to validate the security and bring you to the login window. You are now ready to log into your drive. This is the login window which you will use to access your drive each time you want to access your information. You have a choice between entering your fingerprint or entering your password. You can now tap the back of the flash drive to log into your drive or enter your new password, whichever you prefer. You will then be brought to the command console. This console is the command center where you will access everything on your encrypted flash drive, including your LifePlanner, encrypted files, onboard browser, device settings, and more. For more detailed information about any of these and other great features of your Kanguru Defender LifePlanner, see these helpful videos to learn more.